Welcome to the session on the Kirkpatrick 4-level evaluation model, assessing training program effectiveness. In this session we will talk about 1. Understanding the Kirkpatrick model. 2. Applying the model in training programs. 3. Leveraging the model for organizational impact. The evaluation of training programs is an important step to assess the overall success of the training program. It is in this phase that you can understand the effectiveness of the session and gain feedback on what needs to be improved. For performing effective evaluation, we use the Kirkpatrick's evaluation method. The Kirkpatrick evaluation model is a tool to reflect on work and learning, emphasizing the need to align training with business objectives and consider behavioral indicators. Let's start by understanding the Kirkpatrick model. Kirkpatrick is a 4-step evaluation model. With Level 1, reaction, where we try to understand how people are responding to the training. Level 2, learning outcomes. Here we test what knowledge and skills employees acquired. Level 3, behavior, where we see how behavior changes as a result of training. And lastly, Level 4, impact, where we find out what is the impact of the training on business goals. Now let's understand every level in detail. Beginning with the first level, reaction or satisfaction. Immediately after your training session, what do you ask? How was it? How did you feel? Did you learn something new? This comprises of learners. This level focuses on participants' perceptions and satisfaction with the training content and delivery. It is captured immediately after the training program. You can capture the reaction of the employees by methods like participant surveys, feedback forms, and interviews, aiming to evaluate learners' perceptions of the training program's relevance, engagement, and effectiveness. Moving on to the second level, learning or knowledge outcomes. This level assesses the acquisition of new knowledge, skills, and competencies by the participants. You can use methods like pre- and post-training assessments, quizzes, tests, and observations of skill demonstrations to measure changes in learners' knowledge, understanding, and proficiency. Once we understand the reaction and learning of the training, the true evaluation of effectiveness of training comes at the third level, behavior or transfer of training. The purpose of the trainings is to inculcate desired job behaviors and habits in the employees. At this level, we examine the extent to which participants apply what they have learned in the training to their job roles and work environments. Evaluation methods may involve surveys, interviews, observations, and performance assessments conducted after a period of time to determine if learners have successfully transferred their new knowledge and skills into real-world settings and changed their on-the-job behaviors accordingly. Lastly, we reach the fourth and the final level, impact results. This is where we evaluate the long-term impact of our training. At this level, we measure the broader organizational impact and outcomes resulting from the training program. Evaluations may include productivity data, quality improvements, cost savings, customer satisfaction ratings, and other key performance indicators, aiming to determine the tangible benefits and value that the training has contributed to the organization. Let's try to apply this model in our training programs by designing assessment and evaluation strategies for every stage. These include: at reaction stage, you can conduct post-training surveys, attendance records, reviewing informal feedback. Then, to understand their learning level, you can conduct Pre- and post-training assessments. Observe participants during practical exercises. Next, for behavior assessment. For this you can observe how many people follow protocols and procedures. Review incident reports. Performance reviews. Lastly, to evaluate impact, you can analyze data on workplace efficiency before and after the training. Compare the performance of teams which received training versus not trained. Cost saved. This model has an immense impact on organizational goals. These include comprehensive evaluation. The Kirkpatrick model provides a systematic approach for assessing the effectiveness and impact of training programs at multiple levels, enabling organizations to gain valuable insights into the return on investment (ROI) of their training initiatives. Measuring tangible benefits. By utilizing the Kirkpatrick model, organizations can measure the tangible benefits and value that training programs contribute to the organization, such as increased efficiency, higher performance levels, and enhanced business outcomes. Enhanced decision-making. The model enables organizations to measure the success of their training programs comprehensively, from participant satisfaction and knowledge acquisition to real-world application and organizational impact, ultimately contributing to informed decision-making and continuous improvement in training initiatives. Empowering employees. Leveraging the model's insights, organizations can empower employees with effective training programs that drive skill development, knowledge acquisition, and real-world application. Lastly and most importantly, the Kirkpatrick model can be used to plan effective trainings. Reversing the Kirkpatrick evaluation model for training planning ensures training efforts are purposeful, directly contributing to organizational objectives and fostering meaningful behavior change. The steps. Identify desired results and outcomes that training should achieve to contribute to overall organizational success. Pinpoint specific job behaviors that need to be addressed or improved to meet the desired results. Analyze the learning or skill gap between current job behaviors and the desired ones. Design and implement training initiatives focused on bridging this identified gap effectively and efficiently. Thank you for listening.